Hi guys, welcome to Armenia. Let's explore the place.
3, 2, 1.
Good morning! Dito kami sa Sharjah ni Ate Maria for 5:20 in the morning. Ayan po, kasi kailangan namin mag-check-in. Ang aming oras ng alis is 8:20. So 3 hours before the flight, dapat nandito na kami. Season boarding time. Ito na ang aming passport, saka boarding pass. We're all ready. And be careful guys ha, yung mga, ayan. I'm with my ate. Ate. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Ready to go? Yeah, we're ready. So prepare lang kami. Ito po yung aking hand carry. Yun din po yung hand carry. At itong aming jacket. Ayan, naka-winter attire na kami. Yan, see you in a bit guys. Papasok na kami sa aming aircraft. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa aming bus papuntang aircraft. Ayan, may newfound friend kami, si Miss Melody. Say hi! Yeah! See you later! Guys, we're here now! Yes! Melody! Ay, na may mga kasama natin. Yes, finally! Dito na tayo. Hello, good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. It says here we are. So we have to look for number 27F. Here. Hindi lang po ang pupunta ng Armenia and look outside. Dito po kami sa Sharjah Airport galing. Going to Yerevan, Armenia. See you in a bit. Say hi. Okay. Guys, nakita niyo yan? Snow na po yan. Oh my God. Landing na po kami ng Armenia. We're here in Armenia, Yerevan. And finally, after 3 hours of travel, we're here. We just arrived to Yerevan. So let's see outside. I think it's freezing cold outside. Okay, alis na po kami. Freezing cold guys, welcome to Armenia. Bawal dito yung, ay wala na dito yung mask. I heard they are not wearing masks anymore. Say hi to ate. Hi. Finally, we're here. We just arrived here with my friend and a newfound friends. Ayan, I think we're not going to use this anymore. Guys, nandito na ako sa loob. Ayan, we're done with the passport checking. So I'll just be waiting my friends here in this area. Dito na tayo sa baggage claim. Ayan, pag-claim na tayo ng baggage natin. Hindi ko alam kung dito ba. Diba, hindi sila friendly. They are not friendly here. They are beautiful and handsome, but they are not friendly. So sad, but it's true. Let's wait for it. Yours? Ah, nauna na siya. Okay, take it now. It will come here. Ah, that's mine. Yeah. My baggage is coming. So let's wait. Okay, let's go. Here's my baggage. And luggage pala eh. Here's my luggage. Let's go. Okay, let's go out. Ang mga marites from Dubai. Hello, hello. Medyo mabigat yung dala ko. Yes, Holiday Factory. Yeah. With them, hello. Ayan, nahanap na namin yung Holiday Factory.
Welcome to Armenia, ladies.
Welcome. I welcome you.
Guys, are you together or you are different bookings?
Different bookings together.
Because I was confused. We don't have 4. May I ask your name, please?
Marian and Michelle.
Marian and Michelle.
From Regina Hotel.
Yes.
Sorry?
From the last.
The other guys. Super checking dito. You have to prepare your vaccination card. Guys, nandito na kami sa labas. Hindi ko na-check yung temperature. I think it's -1 kanina. Oh my God! It's freezing cold! We're going to our bus now. Social naman ng bus nila. I'll be sitting here with you. Ang social po ng bus. Hindi ko na-picture yung ano.
Mine is small. Kaya pwede.
Okay. So, puro kami, Filipino kami yung ano, hindi yung kasama namin.
Maganda.
So nice.
Marami tayo.
Okay, some of you have already decided. We were speaking. I will just go one by.
Wala si Melody.
Bongga tong. The bus is so nice. Parang, sasakyan ng artista. So cute. Mostly Filipino.
Hello. How's your feeling? I feel so happy. And it's finally.
This is Noe Brandy Factory. There is Araraglu. World famous brandy factory. By the way, if you like brandy, I would recommend to try from 10 years old. It's very, very good. If you like, it's very good. This one is the City Hall of Yerevan Municipality.
City Hall of Yerevan.
Tomorrow, don't forget about, it can be 10 minutes before 10 or 15 minutes. I don't know when the nurse is coming. Usually, they are coming early, but 10, just keep it in mind.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa Armenia. Nandito kami sa Regina Hotel. And we're just taking some rest kasi kakain na kami ng lunch. Kasi umalis kami ng Dubai ng 5:20 going to Sharjah. And after that, 8:20 po yung flight namin going to Yerevan. And from Yerevan, hindi siya, from international airport ng Armenia, pumunta dito sa... Yeah. Guys, eto po yung room namin. Room tour po tayo. Medyo magulo. Kasi nga po, wala, ganun talaga ako. Okay, from outside, okay, this is the lobby. No, this is the hallway. This is the hallway, guys. And good things, they don't require wearing face mask here. It's up to you if you will wear or not. But for me, I miss not wearing face mask. So yan, let's go inside our room. Pagpasok mo, you will be seeing your toilet bathroom. Walang bathtub, but it's good. Ayan, hi! Then here, ayan, those are my friends. So this is our room. Room tour kaming napakakalat. This is my luggage.
We had lunch.
Yeah.
Actually,
then my laptop.
Hindi ko ng picture mag-isa.
Tsaka ito yun, dito ako uupo at doon naman si ate. Ayan, they are now taking their photos kasi maganda yung view. Especially feeling ko at night time. So, guys, dito sa loob, hindi siya malamig. I think heater siya kasi outside, it's cold na. So, medyo double po yung ano namin. Room namin. Double ba? Kasi yan. Ang kalat na po ng room. We're preparing ourselves for our lunch. Kasi hindi pa po kami nagdi-dinner. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. So, eto na. One time. Wala palang rice dito, guys. Kaya titikman natin lahat ng masarap na pagkain dito sa Armenia. Explore the place. Explore the culture. And let's see what's in Armenia. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Ayan muna ang outfit ng ate nyo. This is my travel outfit. Hindi na ako magpapalit para tipid. Parang napadami yata yung dala ko. Pero let's see. Let's see what Armenia can offer to Masyang Galing. See you in a bit, guys. Lunch muna tayo. Hi, guys. Ayan. Nakatipid kami kasi meron kami mga kabayan na kasama sa room. Yan, share na kami. Yan, nag-book na lang kami na.
How much we have paid? 900?
Ha? Hindi sila nagkakaintindihan. Ayan. Nakatipid po kami kasi parang mag-meter din siya. Kakatipid tayo, right? Hi guys! Ayan, pagod na pagod po sila. Galing pang Middle East mga yan. At feeling namin makakatipid talaga, Meg.
Stick pa yung doors.
At saka dito, hindi sila nagmamask mostly na. Parang, sige. Parang bagyo lang po yung daanan dito. Walang seatbelt. Wala din mask. At si kuya hindi marunong magtagalog. Ay, wali pala. Hindi marunong Tagalog. Ala, nakakatakot pala. Dahan-dahan naman kuya. Ay, walang ganyan dyan. Kahit ano sabihin mo, hindi niya maintindihan, ti. Mag-research ka na. Ngayon mo kailangan. Yan parang ano central. Ito yung tinuturo niya. Nangyari ba? Something like that. Guys, naghahanap po kami ng makakainan. Hindi sila satisfied dun sa una namin pinuntahan. Mahal. Vlogger pala po kami. Ay, kunwari lang. Ayan. Makakasalubong kami yung dalawang Red Riding Hood. Punta kami sa Republic Square. Kasi yun yung ni-recommend ni Kuyang Pogi. Sana dinala lang namin.
Dapat pinipit mo na pala yun.
Sumasampal yung lamig, guys. Mainit siya, maaraw siya. Pero yung lamig, sumasampal. Walking, dapat comfortable yung gamit kong shoes. Eh si Madam, look. Naka-sandals. Naka-ready na for nightlife. The heels. Careful. Kasi, kasi they don't know how to, use. Guys, on the street, meron ka mabibiling ganyan. I recommend you guys, na dito lang kayo bumili. Kasi, quality daw yung mga clothes nila. Rather than taking it with you from your country, yan, better na dito na lang kayo bumili. So, ayan. Parang ano lang din, Baguio. Ayun, marami tayong makikita. May mga ano sila dito, local garments. Ayan, you can buy here, there. Ayan. Shoes. Ang ganda, oh. And I think I like this. Very cute. pasyalan? At
Cute din ito.
eto po. Yes. So right tayo, di ba?
Left daw yun eh. Cover daw yun dito. Sabi niya sa left daw yun. Ang init nga.
Nagpapawisan ako kahit medyo malamig yung ano. Simoy ng hangin.
Ang ganda picture naman nung...
Picture mo na, labas mo na camera mo. Ito video. Oo nga, picture na tayo.
Kasi wala na yan mamaya.
Picture sila. Ayan guys, we're still looking for a good restaurant. Ayan. Malamig dito sa area na to kasi covered siya ng trees. Butog na yung mga kasama ko. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga tao dito guys. Parang artista. Ayan na, malapit na tayo sa malaking roundabout. Dahil nila. See? May mga pulis. May mga pulis, o ba't ang mahal ng mga pagkain nila? You know guys, yung ano lang namin, yung fare lang namin sa malaking taxi, 900 Armenian drum. Murang-mura guys. Nag-share lang kami, parang ano kami, 10 yata kami. Murang-mura na siya. Ito na yung malaking roundabout niya. Ramada. Oh, nandito na mga good hotels. Marriott daw. Wow, nice place. Ito talaga pa feel mo. Nasa European ka. Ayan guys, ang layo ng hotel namin dito sa area na to. It's so nice. So, feeling ko yan yung Marriott, oh. That's yung Marriott. Yan yung Marriott. Feeling ko yan na. Malapit na, sabi niya kasi Marriott daw. Ito yung mga tour package nila. Armenia, welcome to Armenia. Guys,
Tour Armenia. Yeah, later we will...
yeah, we will come back. We will just eat.
Okay.
Where is the cheapest food restaurant here? Armen? Restaurant? Good restaurant. Near here.
Restaurant, good like that.
Like 7 tomorrow.
Here only.
Yeah, now we will go for there. Roundabout. We'll come back later.
My number.
How much is that for? 3 places.
Ayan. Nag-inquire na siya. At guys, sabi ko sa inyo, pag pumunta kayo dapat dito, meron kayong ano, translator. Hindi sila marunong mag-English. Puro Russian sila dito. Tapos ang lamig pa. Ayan, let's wait for ate. She's asking about the details of the tours. Baka kasi makatipid kami pag mag-DIY kami. Pero, may second option kami. May offer yung company or yung company na gumawa ng package namin. So, titignan namin kung saan kami makakatipid. Hanggang 4 hours pa kami mag-decide kung i-avail namin yung tour package nila or dito. Ayan, guys. Ayan. You want us? Yan. Wala na yung mga friendship namin. Ito, Armenia tour. Yeah. Can you see that? Mga offer nila. So, yan. Video na lang natin. If you want to go. Nakapin. Hi guys! Welcome to Armenia. Let's explore the place. I'm with my friends, by the way. Let's see. So cute! Hi, Melody! Hi! I don't know what is the name of this place, pero yung vibe niya, parang Europe nga talaga. Nasa Europe na tayo! Ang lamig niya, okay pa naman. Kaya ba? Pero feeling ko mag-squeeze tayo tonight. Kulang tayo ng mga ano.
Where are they?
Ang tama natin, nakulit natin kasi maghahanap po tayo ng restaurant. Kanina pa po kami gusto guys. Woo! Ang laking TV. Nakita na sila.
Fine dining. Guys, fine.
This is the restaurant.
Ayun, YouTube mo yan mamaya. Nandun talaga yan. The best yan.
But I don't know if we have reservation.
Ay, gano'n?
Oh my God. Ayun ba tayo pakainin? Kaya nga, naman.
We'll find other one beside.
Decide. Ganito lang tayo guys. Gutom na po yung mga kabayan natin. Ayan. Ito yata yung line ng pagkain. Tapos marami na mga tour package dito. Yes, gutom. Ayaw nila ng mga KFC. Gusto nila yung mga local delicacies dito. Kaya let's find for more restaurants. Ayan, marami ng restaurants sa kabila. Hindi kasi namin mabasa yung names. Ayan. May sexy sa... price?
6,000, 10,000.
Okay. Ato, the bird, Yerevan. Guys, this is it. Ay! Maganda lang po, Mar.
Alam mo naman natin kung walang reservation.
Oo nga, parang bakit nagbibihis sila sa loob? Mainit. Wala po kasing aircon sa loob. Kaya, na-notice ko yung mga tao pumapasok, tinatanggal yung mga coats. So, let's go inside, guys. Tanungin natin kung mayroong reservation. Mainit pa yun. At saka amoy tinapay. Guys, nag-order na kami. Yan. Sharing na po kami para mas makatipid. You can take this now, my friend.
Can we see the order?
Mag-order na kami dito sa... What is the name of the cabinet? Sorry?
Wine, 1 liter. 100 grams.
Oh, I'll taste. Oh. Muna tayong
Kaya lang, dapat sa ito.
Oo. Ay, parang kulang. Okay, good for us.
Matamis na. Pero masarap.
Nice siya, masarap. Fresh siya, guys. Hindi siya yung mga... Alam mo yung... ano siya, makakagat sa dila.
Mainit sa sigura.
Oo.
Kasi walang labas ng
Correct, hindi kami kumain ng breakfast, lunch, mag-dinner na. Ito na po yung food. Yan. Hindi ko na alam yung pangalan, guys. Ano ko na lang later. Apo, sige. Tikman natin yung pork loin nila, tsaka yung pork ribs. Guys, fresh to ha. Fresh. As in talagang bagong katay. Nakita ko pang hinuli nila kanina. Tikman ko. Ayun, juicy siya, guys. Mas try. Sarap. Yung price, dahil mayaman kami ngayon, kineribumbum na namin ang 3,000. Tikman natin yan.
Masarap.
Lahat masarap. Sinasawsaw yan.
Try natin. Ibig sabihin, magaling na mga nagawa na kuha.
Diba, kayahin natin sila. Kumakain natin sila.
At least may idea na tayo. Kasi 65. Magkano na ito pag kinain natin sa Chili's?
Pork loin. Pork loin.
Nakawait ka pa ha? Wait, $2.
Ang juicy nga, guys. Ang juicy nga. Sarap. Worth it. Lalagay ko yung price na.
Ano na? Bilangin natin. Isa na lang pa sa share kami. Isang slice.
Ayan, tikman natin. First travel.
More to come.
More to come, guys. Masarap. Ano siya? Lasang-lasa yung fruity. Anong feeling mo ngayon?
Mainit kayo.
Pati batok ko, mainit.
Feeling ko ngayon, I'm stuffed with the fresh organic pork.
Ay,
And the
wa.
fresh
Pomegranate wine.
Pero alam mo malita, dapat adilin pa natin ang pagkain nila.
Ayan, may pa-take out si ate. Hindi niya na kinaya. Labukin mo na yan, madam. Kaya pa ba?
Hindi ko kaya.
Ayan, sayang. Mahal yan. 7,000 po yan. Walang toilet dito. Halika dito. Hanap tayo yung toilet. Excuse me. Where's the restroom? Toilet? Washroom? Here. Okay, ladies. Hindi halata ang toilet.
Tinapakita mo yung image ng toilet.
Ito yung toilet. Wow! Ang ganda ng washroom nila, guys.
nila ng Europe.
See? Ang ganda ng washroom nila. Yung parang spa.
Para ka nasa kuweba.
Yeah, parang ka nasa kuweba. Ganyan bato-bato sa langit. Huwag tamaan, magamit. Guys, restroom lang ako. Ay, wala silang bite. Wala silang pamunas puwet. Wala silang panghugas puwet, guys. So, tissue lang po. So, kayo, kung hindi kayo sanay, dapat wet wipes yung dala nyo. Magsila niyo muli ako, guys. Guys, katatapos lang namin dito kumain sa freezing cold. Kasi inside, we have to take off our jackets kasi mainit siya. Walang aircon. Naubos namin 1 bottle of wine. We finished that and we enjoyed a lot. So, I think we have to inquire some packages here. There are some tour package. There are tour package here. Let's see how much they could offer. Kasi, dun sa agency na nagtabukan namin, i-compare namin. So, we have to inquire kay Kuya. Let's see. Ito mga packages. I don't know which one is the best. This zip line. Yes! I don't know kung sino nag-assist dito. Let's find out how much they could offer us. Ito na yung mga places na pwede nating i-tour dito sa Armenia. Tanungin natin kung saan dito yung best na, ayan, so they are there. At saka, highly recommended guys, this restaurant. Sandali lang, hindi ko pinakita yung view. Dito siya sa A. Conchian Street. This is a street where you can find this. This one, Tavern Yerevan. Ito yung, ang sarap ng mga lapang dito. Lalo na yung pork nila, the best. So you have to visit this restaurant when you go to Armenia. See, ang ganda ng place guys. This place na to, ang ganda. Their local bus. And you can see lahat ng tao dito naka-jacket. Ayan. Kasi it's going to be freezing cold. Lumalamig na guys. Kanina pawis pa kami pero ngayon hindi na. So let's find some good tours now. I'll see you again later. Hey, ganyan! Ang laki ng dog. Hi! Kausapin mo yung dog. Hi! No. What's your name? Hi, doggy! It's so big! What's your name? My goodness! I can... Parang siyang kabayong kalaki, guys. Come on! Oh my God! Ay, wait! Appear! Wow! Nagkikipag-appear siya! Ay! Wala. Pero siguro yan. Hello, my chief!
Your name? Your name again? Your name?
Yan, nag-i-inquire na po siya
Your name,
kung saan
your
kami
name.
punta. Kasi we're planning to go with this place.
This is Marian. Okay, we will get the first package. This Sevana Bank, Seven Lake, Chakasdor, Zipline, Kecharis, and Dilijan. This one package. One package. 6,000 dirham. How much? 6,000 dirham in dollars?
May bantay na aso
$12.
per head.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Good,
Yeah,
mura na
what
siya.
time tomorrow?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? 10 o'clock. For pay 3,000 dirham down payment. Pick up tomorrow in Hotel Regine. You know? Not in the hotel. Regine, Hotel Regine. You know? You don't know. Yeah, Regine. We are in Regine Hotel. You pick.
One more. Cheers.
Tawid forevermore. Tawid forevermore. Yan, tatawid na po yung mga kagandahang ano. Signal. Ang ganda po ng view. Look around guys. The view is so amazing.
Ano ba tawag dito? Kasi hindi natin
Hindi ko alam kung
dapat
ito ba yung
natin.
square?
Hindi, sabi nila roundabout daw to.
Hindi, ito ang tawag dito.
Converse. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Lagay ko na lang later sa background. Sabi ng kausap namin, wala na daw flea market ngayon. Imposible.
Nakita nga natin. Hindi
Kita
niya
ko.
kasi alam yun.
Hindi ko hindi flea market yun. Malayo.
Ang tawag doon. Sabi kasi ni Armina, flea market daw yun eh.
Yan, go. Sarap. I'll try it also. Ice cold water. Try natin to.
Yeah, ice cold water.
See? Is ice cold water. Hindi ko alam kung sasakit yung tiyan ko.
Ang sarap. Uy, try.
Matamis.
Girl, try.
Try.
mo. Ano ka ba?
Try ka na. Nandito ka na. May diet apps ako.
Ibibenta daw yun sa Dubai ngayon.
Yes. Ito nga pala. Yes.
They're going to sell this water.
So guys, they will sell this to Dubai. Let's taste the water in Armenia.
Armenian water. See?
Ano?
It's nice.
Kaya fresh water guys. I'll try it one more. Try.
Libre na.
Ah, sarap. Free water. Tamang-tama lang, di ako bumili sa hotel. Mahal. Sarap.
Pinapakita mo.
They have fish, dried fish also.
Dried fish in Armenia.
Hindi na pa.
Yes, and Roma.
Oh, nice. Mga dried foods po. Dried fruits. Oh, mga ano, big. Kailangan mo ng pagpaganda, di ba?
Uy, ayun yung mga lipstick, oh.
Ayun, ito na, nakita ko na.
Bumili ka na?
Apat yung dala ko, kala ko napunta sa loob.
Ay, sana dito na ako bumili ng boots. Oh my God, ang ganda ng boots. Lighter. Boots. Bibili ako ng bags. Sa flea market na lang. Mas mura siguro. Ang ganda ng mga pears nila.
Ano dito mga dried?
Ay, akala ko statue. Flowers. Sana yung mga dalawang ano. Si Jo. Ay, ang sexy nila. Ganyan ang atayo ng mga nasa bar.
Magtanong ka na kung saan ang ano.
Ay, oo nga.
Alam nila.
Hanapin natin yung ano.
Bar.
Hanap tayo dun sa may gitna. Dapat sa mga ano. Dapat kinaibigan natin yung matanda. Malay mo, ibig tayo sa ano. Dapat pa
Tingnan natin saan ba?
Kaya nga.
Kayo saan lalaki.
Malamig na.
Ang babae yung gaganda nila. Si ano naman ngayon? Si Melody naman makikiusap.
Oh, Melody?
Melody, it's your turn.
It's your turn to use your charm.
Talk to them.
Maganda sana kung kasama namin si ano, si Becky. Siya ang ating ano, front, si Cassie. Siya ang ating frontliner. Frontliner natin si Cassie. Yeah. Pasok ka? Mamaya na din tayo. Ayan, ang dami ng tao guys. Malamig na. It's so good to roam around. May fogs na around. How I wish may snow na by tomorrow. 50% off. Mga local, ano po to? Local Armenian goods. Hi, Armenian boys! Hi!
Sabi ko magsisingkay doon sila sa YouTube. Dapat nag-split.
Ayaw nga pala.
Pagka ganun dahan.
At least, na-try ko na yung water, yung fresh water nila dito. Tingnan niyo yung likod ko guys, ang ganda-ganda. Ang gaganda rin ng tao dito. Alam mo, feeling ko mga artista yung nakakasalubong namin. Tapos kami yung mga sidekick lang. Char!
Tatamos na ilong.
Tatawid tayo sa pedestrian lane. Ano si ate? Oh! Shit! Ah! Tumatawid siya guys! Oh! Naka-red siya pero tumatawid siya. Ay, ang tibay! Ang tibay niya guys. Walang pakialam. Anyway.
Matanda na.
Oo, taga rito ako, sabi niya. Girls! So, lipat ulit kami doon. Punta kami sa Carrefour. Bibili daw si madam ng ano? Ng wine. Feeling niya daw mura doon. Sige, let's see. Let her buy. Kasi last day mo na tomorrow, girl. Dito. Ay, kawawa.
First day tapos last day.
Kaya nga, first day, tapos last day na agad. What is this? Let's go, let's go. Sabay tayo sa mga matatanda. Parang nasa Quezon City lang tayo, guys. Look at it. Hindi ganun kalamig. Pero feeling ko nilalamig ako. Pero pinagpapawisan ako inside.
Pinagpapawisan ako.
It's good to walk this kind of weather. 8, 7. Ang bilis ng ano din na dito. Counting.
Dapat nakita mo yung
Ayan. Oo, wala silang sistema dito. Hindi sila marunong mag-follow ng traffic lights. Hindi rin sila marunong magsalita ng English. My God, paano ang tourism dito? They are good, but you have to do this sign language. Oh my God. Shit, sumasakit na yung tiyan ko sa pag-inom ko ng tubig nila. Yun pa man din yung weakness ko. Water, ate. Di ba, Ale, may dala akong Diatabs. Diatabs, baka naman. So, magpapapicture ka sa gitna, auntie? Okay, nasan yung camera mo? Siyempre, kasama ako sa vlog. Hindi ko alam yung place na to. Lalagay ko na lang dito sa name below. Para you will know the place. The name of the place. It's just around the corner, guys. Ayan. Ang sarap pagtatakbo. Mas masarap sana kung kasama mo ang jowa mo. Dahil wala kang jowa. Ayan, mag-isa ka. Guys, hindi biro. You have to bring with you your winter clothing. Kasi malamig talaga siya. Unless, sanay ka na sa lamig. Ayan, let's take some photos. Ayan. Kasi guys, nag-DIY lang kami today. Kasi first day namin. At kino-compare namin yung offer ng tour package ng Holiday Factory at saka dito sa aming DIY. Ayan. Kasi gusto namin na-explore na gamit ang sarili naming oras, syempre. Kaya I think it's better sa first day. Pagdating nyo dito, wala mo nang tulog-tulog. Like us, pumunta lang kami ng hotel, nag-check-in lang kami, nagpahinga konti. Tapos kumain na kami, nag-charge ng phone, nag-picture-picture konti, ganyan. Then, eto na, nakapag-lunch, dinner, breakfast na kami. And good thing we found this Tavern Yerevan restaurant, which is highly recommended. Kaya, if you are to visit Armenia, find that hotel. Lalagay ko na lang dito yung pangalan so that you could list it in your bucket list sa pag-tour nyo dito sa Armenia. The view is so nice. It's free, by the way, guys. And take note, it's better to check around kasi mas may makikita kayong mga cheaper and good package ng tour. It's up to you. For us kasi explorer kami, mas better for us to look for a better package. Yan, yung parang magagamit namin yung time namin. So, we opted to choose a private package na makakasama namin yung kasama na namin sa trip. We are 6, so let's see tomorrow how will it go. Kasi, yan. Hindi kami, nag-DIY talaga kami guys. Kami naghanap ng package around the corner. So, sana kayo din. Love ya! Hi guys! Nandito kami sa I don't know how to read it, but it's Tashir. There's a big dog there. Yeah. Let's try their gold made in Armenia. Tingnan natin, i-compare natin if it's the same as gold. So, kasi sabi ng tour guide namin kanina, we are selling gold made in Armenia. Let's see kung how... Pakita mo yung... Gold gallery ng Armenia. Let's see how much it cost. And we will compare the cost here and in UAE. So, Arrow. Coffee Point. Oh, ito naghanap sila ng Coffee Point. This is a Coffee Point. Guys, ang mga mall nila dito, walang aircon. Ang init sa loob. So, let's find where is the gold. Ganito po ang loob ng mall nila.
May shot ng alcohol.
At kahit saan, maraming alcohol kasi malamig sa labas, guys. So, let's... Nalamig ka na, kailangan mo nang bumili. May mga gold, white gold, silver sila dito, guys. So, let's see kung kaya nating makabili ng gold. See, here's the place. Jewelry Salon. Hindi to part ng tour, guys. Nag-DIY kami for us to check all the things that we can see here in the mirror. Hi! Ano, maganda ba ang gold? Mura? 14 carats lang. 14 carats lang po pala ang gold nila dito. So, pwede tayong bumili ng 14k carats. Hindi man siya mabenta sa atin. Tonable ba to? 14K? Hindi ko lang alam. May mga 14k sila. Let's see how much it costs. Hindi ko alam kung pwede sila. Maganda. Okay lang ba 14? Mga ganito din, 14k. Maganda na yung kakaura sa atin. Diba? Can I take photo? Yes. Kaya 14k? Okay yung price? Price? Okay lang naman ang 14k, di ba? Pang fashion sa hindi masasangla. Mabibenta ko. Hindi, kukuha ko. Remembrance ko dito. Souvenir. Pintas o ring? Sa inyo, pintas o ring? Pintas na lang? Ito yata. Ito yung mga uso-uso dun sa atin, di ba? Ito?
Ito, VCA.
This one. Natin, guys. This one.
Ito, paper clip.
This one, how much? Hindi naman sila masusungit dito. Ito, mas maliit din. Pangit?
Paper clip.
Paper clip. $700. Ah, it's dollar. So, times 50. Magkano yan? 360. 2,100 pa din. 2,600.
18 carats ka na lang.
Can I ask you, if we are going to buy Armenian souvenirs, where do we need to go? There? Armenian souvenirs? Here? Thank you, ma'am. Dito. Sadly, guys, parang hindi practical to buy gold here because it's only 14k and it's expensive. It's really made in Armenia, but it's expensive. Ang suggestion ng mga friends ko, you have to buy 18k na lang instead of 14k. Wala silang 18k dito. So, next, destination. It's so funny, no? Sa loob ng room, so funny, inside the hotel and the malls, there's no aircon. It's heater. But outside, it's freezing cold. Di man ganun ka-init, hindi naman ganun kalamig, but it's freezing cold. Everybody is wearing winter clothing, boots, beanies. But for me, kaya ko pa naman because we're walking. So, ikot-ikot lang. In our first day, we have to roam around the city kasi we are staying in a mountain area. But it's fine. Ayan na naman sila, mga kapatid! Guys, kung gusto nyo nang magpa-init, if you want to feel hot, dito lang tayo sa coffee shop. Wala silang Starbucks. They don't have Starbucks here in Armenia. So my friends preferred this vendo machine. Wala siyang vendo machine. Ayan. Near to Ararat Bank. Actually, we cannot find the flea market nearby. So we are still undecided where to go. And may mga nakausap kaming mga Armenian guys, pero hindi sila marunong mag-English. Mahirap magsalita. Mahirap makipag-usap. So, dapat may baon kang mga kalingwahin nila. Will you share?
Ang mahal lang to. How much? 200.
200 drum. Pero mula lang siguro yan. 200 drum ang kanilang water. Ayan. Pupunta rin po yan sa Dubai. So, let's see and taste what is the taste of this water. Malamig ba? It's cold. Guys, we're here now at Armenian Market. Yes, Armenian Market, where we can buy some stuff to bring home to our respective countries. Let's go inside. I think dito kayo makakahanap ng mga souvenirs and stuffs from Armenia. Yan. There are some ref magnet here. Wines. Whatsoever. Chocolates. Yes?
Oh, Mash, ang bars daw nasa gitna daw. 10-15 bars dito sa center ng dalo bars.
Okay, if you want to bring some stuffs from Armenia, you can come here at Armenian Market and look for these items. Cute oh. Yung mga mahilig mag-inom dyan, barrel with, ang tawag dito, faucet. Ayan. It's full of dried fruits and everything here. I don't know if I will buy some stuff now or tomorrow because we have 3 days more to stay in Armenia. So I think some of the stores are now closed. It's already 7 in the evening. So close na yung iba. Maybe these stuffs, these sweets, these dried fruits. I'll be bringing this home. Some of this. I'll be bringing some of these stuffs later. We'll just check which one is the most favorite among the dried fruits that they are selling here. Look at them. They are all wearing winter clothes because it's really cold in here. So, dito talaga ang tambayan ng aking mga friends. Wine, because we don't have any wine in...
$2 lang. $2 lang mas ito mga pampapatalubong natin. 1,200 grams pa lang.
So, we can only bring 3.
If we will go home in the UAE or Georgia, how many bottles can we carry each person?
3 only.
No for free.
Also, if you want to buy some liquor here in Armenia and bring it home to Dubai, you can only bring 3 bottles. Pero sa Pilipinas, hindi ko alam kung ilan. But it's so much mura. Mura talaga. It's so cheap. If I could just bring 10 pieces or so, I can bring much. But it's only limited to 3. Okay? Let's see more. At meron tayong pupuntahang bar later. So, I'll see you there, guys. Guys, may apricot. Guys, they are sharing their fruits here. Free taste, guys. Dried fruit. This is apricot?
No,
Kaki. I don't know what this kaki is, but it's delicious. Free taste. Hindi siya matamis. Hindi siya malahit.
ang bibili natin.
Masarap itong kaki. Para mangga. It tastes like mangga. Kaki. Orange. We can't understand what they are talking about. It's hard to understand. This is delicious. Yummy. Good. Yan, naintindihan nila sa wakas. Peach. Too much. Free taste. And I don't know which one to bring home. I can't decide which one to buy. What is that? Fig. Ay, free taste, guys. Dapat may dala tayong water. Yummy. Ang dami ko naman free.
Peach and nut.
What is this?
Peach is this.
Peach. Dried peach.
Walnut.
Too much sweet. This is better, kaki. Kaki is better. Hi. Hello. Matamis masyado yung peach. This one is better, kaki. Kaki is good. How much? 8,000 dirham. Ay, drum. Sige guys, pakita ko sa inyo later kung ano yung bibili namin. Titikman lang namin lahat ng putahe dito. All of this will taste free yan. Charaz, Armenian souvenirs. If you want to buy some sweets from Armenia, you should visit this Armenian market. Some of the stores are now closed. I don't know what is the timing of this market. I didn't ask them, but still, there are stores that still open until now. I think we'll try to bargain. They are selling us 6,000 drums, 5,000 drums, 4,000 drums. Convert nyo na lang in dirhams.
Okay na lang tayo.
Which one you want?
Kahit ano?
Thank you, Mercy, sir. Mercy. This is video. Check my YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. They are taking photo also.
Ari doing
Thank you, madam.
Uy, naghahanap na si Cassie.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah. You know Philippines?
Philippines.
Thank you. We're going to Dubai. Thank you. Bye.
Uy, nagpapataste ng ano.
Ay, thank you.
Thank you.
It's okay. may pa-taste na naman.
Lagi na tayo.
Ipasok ko na.
Hindi, may nuts naman siya.
Sakit yung lalang. Okay lang. Tagbibin mo na.
Uy,
Bye.
Cassie.
Bye, madam. Napamura ba tayo doon?
Uy, ang sarap may mani.
Lagay mo dito.
Bigay mo kay bakla.
Ito kailan mo.
Bawal sa akin.
Oh, yan.
Natural. Natural naman. Si bakla, nagme-message ako yung message. Paano ko siya may message? Dito tayo. Kung bumili tayo, kita kami dito sa grocery.
Saan ka bumili kanina, mahal?
Ano, dito na lang sa mura.
Ayan. Guys, we just came from the Armenian market. Some of the stores are now closed and they've given us samples of sweets. So, dahil ang dami nilang binigyan na sweets, we're going to the market and buy some butter. Ayan. Nagtanong din kami where are the bars and they don't know where are the bars located. So, magdi-DIY na naman kami. Ayan. Pasok tayo sa supermarket. I don't know the name. Ayan. Supermarket. Supermarket. No name. Let's go inside. Ang init ng supermarket nila, guys. Wala silang mga mask. So, actually, may mask sila. Dito sa loob na, here inside the market, there's no aircon. It's really warm. When you are outside, it's really cold. So, baliktad. When you are in Dubai, when you are outside, it's so warm and hot. But inside the mall, it's so much cold. In the Philippines, same thing. But dito, opposite. So, look at the Sprite. Sample, 640 dirham. You want some coffee from Yerevan? Let's find some. Yung prices, huwag kayo magtaka. Ganyan lang talaga kasi. Ganyan lang talaga kataas ang number. Pero yung value nito, guys, malit lang. Okay. Guys, bibili ka ng water, doon ka sa mga grocery, hindi sa mga shop. Kasi mahal sa Shopee compared yung mga 800 o yung 500 ml doon sa shop. Parang ang bayad niya is 200 gram. Pero dito sa supermarket, guys, 80 lang. See the difference? 120. Correct. Let's go outside. Grabe. So, be wise when you are going to Armenia. Better to buy your things in the supermarket or grocery rather than sa mga shop outside. Mahal. Tsaka sa hotel, when you are in the hotel, don't buy any good or any things inside the hotel. Better buy it to supermarkets. That's a tip. And para you can save your money. And guys, we feel that we are very rich because of the money we have. See, $1 is equivalent to 47,000 dirham.
80 drums, water, mineral water.
80 dirham. I don't know the
fresh
conversion
mineral
in
water.
dirhams. Let's see how much it costs in dirhams. But I think it's point something. 10. Yan.
Change pa yung 250.
Ayan, nandito lahat ng change namin. Hi, ang value ng pera pag ano. Let's go sa mall para makapag ano tayo.
Sa Armenian market,
Naantay namin yung friend namin. Guys. Sus, ang lamig sa labas. They can't even understand what we are talking about. And
understand kung bakit heater sa loob ng mall. Kasi sa
you know guys, it's too cold outside, so we opted to go inside the Carrefour. Guys, my Carrefour din sila here. They also have their Carrefour. We're coming inside because we're going to buy some wines. Hindi kami nakabili ng wine kanina sa Armenia market kasi we thought we're going to the bar. But feeling ko malayo yung bar dito. Tsaka hindi kami naiintindihan. They can't even understand what we are talking about. They don't speak English much. So, yun. Mas inaasahan ko namin bumili lang kami ng okay. Ayan. Diba natin yung gamit natin dito? No number. So, number 8. Yan. Iwan ko rin gamit ko. Kasi, mask. I'll wear my mask kasi they are requesting us to wear our mask. Mag-mask tayo, guys. This is their Carrefour. We want to warm up our bodies. So, yan. Carrefour muna tayo. They even asked us kung Chinese ba kami. Guys, we're not Chinese, we're Filipinos. Ayan. Buti pa dito. So, yeah. Guys, these are the ones. Ito yung mga benta nila. It's all legal to buy some wines here. And the prices are not that much. So, it's better to buy some wine here and drink in the hotel. Kasi guys, it's so cold outside. We have to warm up our bodies. And I think we cannot go to the bar now. Kasi they don't know how to understand English. DIY lang to. Do it yourself travel. We didn't take any tour package for the first day because we wanted to roam around the city. And yung friend ko, ayan, hindi siya naka-bootsy kaya sumakit na ang paa. Hindi siya comfortable sa kanyang suot na sapatos, so we have to go home.
1.7. Ano pa?
Kasi may tour kami tomorrow. Ayan. Ilang wine ang bibili nyo? Isa lang? Really? Oo, naka-isa na kami. Kulang, di ba? Guys, we're going home. Maaga pa. It's still early, but we have to go home para mag-rest na. At doon na lang kami sa hotel mag-wine. Kasi maganda naman yung scenery outside the balcony. Kasi hindi namin mahanapan yung mga bars, yung underground bars dito.
Tapos maghapon na tayo.
Di ba, may 3 days pa naman kami dito. May 2 days pa naman kami to stay. So, we still have time to. Except kay Melody kasi last day niya na tomorrow. Like 2 days lang siya here. Ayan. Tapos kailangan namin mag-rest for tomorrow kasi mag-PCR siya. At meron kaming DIY tour. Hindi, actually nakakita kami ng tour along the way. Ayan. Na mas cheaper compared din sa ino-offer ng mga hotels. Ayan. This is Park Square. Hindi nyo naintindihan. Republic Square?
Parang ginagalang na pupuntahan.
Naghahanap din siya.
Hindi naman talaga siya.
Tignan nyo dito, baka may bars dito guys. Kasi sabi ni ate kanina yung bata, Park Square right. Then walk. Hindi kami nakikita, walang ilaw. Ayan, yan yung way. So, I don't know how much time will it take going to our hotel. Pero dun kami, sa bundok. Guys, yan, mga bars, Ay, bakla, ayan yung mga bars,
Oo, yan na.
Ayun yung bar. Ayun, Pero marami daw dapat dito.
Kaya nga, 10 to 15 daw eh. Perfect like pero sa gitna.
Hindi natin alam where is it.
Siguro. Oo, yun ang mga nandyan na tanong.
Here, malayo nga. Ito yung magkakasunod. These are the bars. Malayo nga, paglalakarin natin. Taxi nga talaga dapat.
Bakit yung 2 days ka naman yung 3 days na ngayon?
Tayo ate, pwede pa tayo tomorrow.
Hindi ka nag-extend? Hindi mo kasi akalain na mag-extend na tayo.
Oo, kala niya mag-isa niya lang.
Nag-adventure ka na?
Kung mag-isa ka, anong gagawin mo?
Ano lang, magpapa-drive lang ako around the city siguro pa. First day, para ma-ano ko yung city nila. Then the next day, yung pinaka-turn na. If I were alone, I will get that holiday package. 89.
Hindi ka na mag-DIY.
Oo. Kasi
Hindi mo kasi alam yung
parang convenient sa akin. Pero kung ganito naman meron pa na parang gusto ko ma-personalize ko gusto ko lang. Kasi hindi ko sila talaga kayong lahat.
Hi guys, we're all tired. We already drank our wine that we bought from Carrefour Armenia. So for now, I'm preparing my things for tomorrow and I'll be taking some showers. Let's see outside, by the way. Inside our room, guys, it's a bit warm, but oh my god, outside, look at it. Shit. Oh, it's freezing cold, guys. This is what you can see down there. Oh my god, ang lamig. It's so cold. I'm shaking actually, guys. That is the main city, the one that you are seeing from here. We are on top of the mountain. I'm shaking, so I'm going inside. Actually, I'm shaking outside, so better go inside. Shit. Oh my god, it's so damn cold. It's not really worth it to go out wearing this. I already removed my winter clothing because we're preparing to take some rest. So before that, guys, these are my things. Yeah. So I'm planning to show you what I brought to Armenia from Dubai. So this is my luggage, and this is that's my hand curry, and this is my bag that I've been using for the whole trip while in town. So these are my winter clothing that I used earlier from airport attire to city tour, and let's find some attire for tomorrow. That was my boots. Yes, and it's really comfortable, guys. These boots, really nice. I bought this from a thrift shop. Okay, made from Overstories. And I already bought some dried fruits from Armenian market. I think it cost me around, it's expensive really, $30. So it's quite heavy from packet. This is 5,000 Armenian dram already. These are some dried fruits, 2,500, and one half of these nuts. So this will be my pasalubong to my housemates. Okay, I don't have anything to buy. Okay, ayan, nag-a-account po ako. Whatever I spend from today's tour, I already wrote it here so that, you know, I will be on track on what the expenses I've been spending. So for today, I exchanged around $100 is equivalent to 47,200 Armenian dram. So it's a huge money. It's a really big amount, and this is the biggest bill I got, 20,000, and I believe this is equivalent to around $30. Yes, $30. And in dirhams, let's convert it later. So I still have some money to spend tomorrow from my $100. So I have 3 days in Armenia and 3 days in Georgia. So my budget is dollars only. It's up to me if I will spend more than my allotted budget. So let's see